Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm unboxing the Revopoint POP 4 3D scanner. This is the box and this is the standard version, not the premium version. So this one doesn't come with the battery and the case, but only the standard version. So all right. So here, warranty card. We have these tracker points. Software tips. We have the quick start guide. This is the V1.2. And now obviously the main box containing the scanner as well with other parts. So this is the scanner, nicely put inside this nylon bag. So this is the screw for the tripod, and this should be the cable connection. You have this turntable that comes with it. So it's a mini turntable. We have this small tripod that also we can use not only as a tripod but as a handle. We can connect the scanner from the bottom like this, and then we can just use it like this. I can do it quickly here. So let's connect this one. And now we can simply scan by holding this like this. We have here the USB-C cable, which is supposed to connect to the computer, and I think also works as a power source. So I mean, this is the length. I mean, this is how it's, like this. If I zoom out a bit, so I would say this is like around 1.5 meters as a length, roughly, as I can see now. And this is a USB-C, USB-A cable. So this is for the turntable power cable. Looks like the turntable has a USB-C input with a USB-A, but I think also you can use the USB-C to USB-C for it as well if you have one. Otherwise, this comes with the package. And let's see what we have under this packaging. All right, looks like we have here like a nice bag. There's something solid inside. This is a calibration board. So it's a piece of glass and has these points for calibrating the 3D scanner. And obviously the steps are inside of the guide. So note, please scan the QR code to import the calibration board's metrological info every time after entering the calibration process. So this is very important to calibrate your scanner when you want to calibrate it. And I'll just put it here just to avoid scratching it. And I think that's it. Basically, that's the bottom of the case, so there's nothing left. So I'm going to put this on the side. So this can be used as a small tripod, as we said, if you want to 3D cut something on the turntable. Otherwise, you can close the legs and use this tripod itself, to scan objects if you're, let's say, in the outdoors, or objects that are larger to fit on the turntable as a helper, as a grip. And I'm going to, in the next video, calibrate the scanner, turn it on, use the software, try to calibrate it, and also try to scan something and show you the results. So, see you soon.